Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying identifiers and power so you don't chase the wrong issue. First, open the case and read the tiny serial on the hinge, then cross-check the model number on the case or in iPhone settings so you know it's AirPods 3. Next, inspect hinge magnets, speaker grills, and charging port for damage. Look for uneven seams or glue. Finally, plug a known good cable and note the LED color to confirm charging. This rules out dead battery false alarms. Once done, pair and evaluate performance step by step so you isolate hardware versus software faults. Open the case near your iPhone and accept the pairing card. If pairing fails, reboot the phone and retry. Then play test audio and switch spatial audio and mono to confirm left/right drivers and sensors. Listen for distortions, dropouts, or imbalance. Check microphone by recording a voice memo. Finally, verify firmware in settings and view Bluetooth RSSI or range to detect antenna problems that mimic defects. To finish, perform a definitive reset to clear user configurations and see if faults persist. With the case open, hold the setup button until amber flashes, then white. Repair to confirm whether glitches were software-related. If sound, fit, or charging behavior still looks off, compare the serial and packaging details against Apple support to confirm authenticity. This prevents wasted repair attempts on counterfeits. If problems remain after reset and verification, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. They can run
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.